Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical tutorial, how to change date format in Smartsheet 2025. If you're working with spreadsheets for projects, schedules, or team collaborations, Smartsheet is a fantastic tool, but customizing date formats can sometimes feel tricky. Don't worry, I'll walk you through it step by step, so you can get it done quickly and efficiently. This is especially useful if you're dealing with international teams or need to switch from MM/DD/YYYY to DD/YYYY for better readability. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Smartsheet account. Once you're in, open the specific sheet where you want to change the date format. Look for the column that contains your dates. It's usually labeled something like Due Date or Start Date. Right-click on the column header, and from the drop-down menu, select Edit Column Properties. This will open a new window with various settings. In the Column Properties window, scroll down until you see the Date Format section. Here, you'll find a drop-down menu with different options, such as US Format, European Format, or Custom Settings. Click on the drop-down and choose the format that suits your needs. For example, select DD/YYYY, if that's your preference. Don't forget to preview how it looks. Smartsheet often shows a sample to help you verify. After selecting your desired format, hit Save at the bottom of the window. Your sheet will update automatically, and all the dates in that column should now display in the new format. If you have multiple columns with dates, just repeat the process for each one. It's that straightforward. One quick tip. If your dates aren't changing as expected, double-check if the column is set as a date type in the properties. Also, remember that changing the format won't alter the actual data, it just affects how it's displayed. This feature has been updated in the 2025 version of Smartsheet for even more customization options, like 24-hour time support. There you have it. Changing date formats in Smartsheet is easier than you might think. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.